So basically, Balanced Scorecard is developed in the early 90s by Dr. Robert Kaplan and David Norton. So the term Balanced Scorecard refers to a management and a measurement system which evaluates four areas of business like internal business processes, financial performance, customer knowledge, and learning and growth. So, Balanced Scorecard. So if you are an HR manager or an HR student, then you should know that the V&A strategy of your company should be based upon four things. First of all, customer relation, then internal processes, then finances of your company, and education and growth. So the customer relation. It involves the customer satisfaction rate, customer retention, delivery, and quality performance. Then internal process, like the activities per function, process alignment and automation. Then you have education and growth. That includes job satisfaction, employee turnover, specialist knowledge and skills, training opportunities. And the fourth one is finances, like ROI, what is rate of return, and then cash flow, then financial results. So all of four of them are related to each other. So now I will tell you an example of balanced scorecard. So this is a good example I made for you guys especially to understand what is balanced scorecard. So the vision of this is the transforming society through the provision of ultra high speed mobile information systems, and the mission will be the number one provider of ultra high speed mobile networks and content to the United Kingdom. So if you want to know a difference between vision and mission, then go back to my channel and find a playlist of basic differences between MBA terms, and you will see there. So in financial, we have obviously increases revenue per user, then this will conclude to increase profit, then decreasing operating costs. Then we have a customer. Here we improve clarity of offering, improve market perception, improve end user experience. So all of them are interconnected. Then we have internal process like improve offering selection, improve information services, and improve ease of use for end users. And finally, we have organizational capacity, that is improve knowledge and skills, improve content supply, and improve technology. So all of them are interrelated. So this is the example of balanced scorecard because every company has a different vision and a mission. So and every company has different goals. There will be a goal of finances, customer, internal process, and organization. So see, this is a basically general goal for all the organization because every organization wants to increase profit. Obviously, all of them wants to improve clarity of offering, improve offering selection, and all of them. So this is a very general term. So if you are planning to do a balanced scorecard, then you can quote this because it can go with any organization undoubtedly. So now this is another example. Again, this is a very simplified and generalized example. It is not specific to any company. It is a generalized example. So you can quote this and write this in order to make a balanced scorecard. So in financial, we have lower cost, then increased profitability, then increased revenue. Then in customer, we have lower wait time, improved customer retention. The internal processes has increased process efficiency, low cycle time. And finally, the organizational capacity has improved knowledge and skills and improves tools and technology. So the reference is the institute way, like simply strategic planning and management with the balanced scorecard. So that's all from my side. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.